Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my third lesson of D1, chapter number 8, exercise 8A. Before going to the lesson, there are some key terms that we need to understand. What does the word percentage mean? How to convert a fraction into percentage and percentage into fraction? These are the questions that have to be really clear to all of my students. If you are not clear about these all questions, or those who have missed the basic class or they are catching us late, for all these students I will be giving the link of the lesson in the description box so that you can watch and understand the lesson properly, because lessons of mathematics require continuous integration and practice of lesson with the previous lesson. If one link is weak, the next lesson will also be affected. So please watch and understand those all lessons properly so that you can understand today's class. Let's move to question number 9, part A. Question number 9, part A says that for each of the following express the first quantity as a percentage of the second quantity. We have the first part 25 seconds and 3.5 minutes. We have to express these two quantities as a percentage. So one thing is that we have to see that one quantity is in seconds and one is in minutes. So we have to convert both the quantities in same unit. That 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So 3.5 minutes will be equal to 3.5 by multiplied by 60, and then we have to remove the decimal. 0 goes with 0. I will try to perform calculation without calculator, because this is also one of the problem of my students, that they find the multiplication of numbers without calculator difficult. So 6 5s is 30, 6 3s are 18, and 18 and 3 20. So it means 3.5 minutes are 210 seconds. So in order to write the percentage, what we have to do is that I have to write is required percentage will be equal to 25 seconds by 210 seconds multiplied by 100%, because when we need to convert the quantities into percentage, we have to multiply that number by 100. Now let's think about the suitable table. If I'm removing this 0 with 0, okay, but the problem is that 21 and 10 or 21 or 25 doesn't go in one table. So here in some of the questions you will be allowed to use calculator. When we'll be setting the question in the exam, we'll be selecting special question for paper 1, where you can perform your calculation without calculator easily. This will become 2500 divided by 210, and I have to divide it by 210, and this will become 11.90%. okay. So I hope you are clear about this part, and let's quickly move to the second part. And the second part says that 45 minutes and we need to find the percentage with what? With 1 hour. So recall that 1 hour will be equal to how many minutes, because the first quantity is in minutes and the second is in hours. So in order to convert your hours to minutes, what we have to do is that we have to convert both the numbers, both the quantities in the same unit, as 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So what we can do is that required percentage will be equal to required percentage. First I have to write it in form of fraction, 45 by 60 multiplied by 100%. okay, let's give a try without calculator. 0 goes with 0, 2 3s are and 2 5s are, and now 3 1s are and 3 15s are, where the calculations are easy, where we can simplify the numbers without calculator. We must have the practice of the calculation without calculator. So you can see that I am focusing on this part without calculator. okay, this is 75%. Moving to the C part. C part is that we have to find the percentage of 1 year with 4 months. Again, 1 year we need to convert 1 year equal to how many months, students? very easy, 12 months. Now what we have to do is that required percentage will be equal to 1 year. So the first quantity is 1 year, which is 12 months by 4 months and multiplied by 100%. Okay, in order to convert any number into percentage, we have to multiply that number by what? By 100%. 4 ones are and 4 threes are, and this becomes 3 multiplied by 100, and which is equal to 300%. 300%, really easy questions. And moving to the next part, 15 millimeters to 1 meter. So again here we should have good command on the conversion rule, that 1 meter has how many centimeters? 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter equals to 10 mm, 10 millimeter. So 1 meter will be equal to, students, 100 multiplied by 10, which is equal to 1000 millimeters. For these questions you should have good command on tables and the conversion rules as well. So required percentage will be equal to 15 upon for 1 meter the converted answer is 1000 millimeter times 100%. These two zeros go with each other and we are left with 15 by 10%, and this will be 5 threes are 5 twos are, which is equal to 3 by 2%. 3 by 2%, or what we can do is that it can be 1.5%. 3 by 2 is 1.5%. Moving to the next part, that is 335 centimeter to 5 meter. Again we need to convert 5 meters to centimeters. So as 1 meter equals to what, students? 100 centimeter. So 5 meters will be equal to what? 5 times 100, which is equal to 500 centimeters. And now required percentage. You can see, students, that these questions are really small and easy. Here there are only 1 or 2 tricks that you need to know about the conversion rules and divisibility tests. Then your questions will be really easy. Required percentage equals to 335 by 5 meters, which are equal to 500 centimeter multiplied by 100%. Now learn to make your calculation easy. Look, these two zeros go easily and I am left with 335 by 5. As the unit digit is 5, so the number can be easily divided by 5. If the divisibility tests are clear to you, then you can easily go for simplification. 5 6 are 30 and I am left with 3 down, 5 7s are 35, and this is 67%. Very easy questions. And moving to the next part, that says 1 kg to 800 gram. So big to small we need to multiply. 1 kg has how many grams? Which is equal to 1000 grams. So required percentage will be equal to 1 kg, which is equal to 1000 gram upon 800 grams multiplied by 100%. And look, learn to make the calculation easy. This goes with this. 2 4s are, 2 5s are, 0s are, 0s are, 2 2s are, 2 2s are, 2 5s are, 0s are, 2 1s are, 2 1s are, 2s are, and 5s are. Percentage will be equal to 125%. Okay, moving to the next part, moving to G part, that is 60 to 360. So percentage required equals to 60 by 360 multiplied by 100%. And now it's up to you, like 0 goes with 0 and 6 ones are and 6 6 are, and we are left with 100 by 6% and 100 divided by 6, 2 3s are and 2 50 times are, this is 50 by 3, 50 by 3%, and when I'm dividing 50 by 3, 3 how many times 3 15 times 3 is 45, 16 times 3 is 48, and I'm left with 2, and then I have to put the decimal. 3 6 times is 18, and then I'm left with 2 again, and it is 16.6%, okay, repeatedly, because we can see every time we are getting the remainder 2. Okay, moving to 63 cents to $2.10. First of all, we need to convert $2.10 to cents, and we know that $1 equals to how many cents? That is 100 cents, and $2.10 will be equal to what? 2.10 multiplied by 100, and this becomes 210 cents. Now we have to find the percentage. Percentage will be equal to 63 divided by 210 multiplied by 100%, and now 0 goes with 0, and then 7 9s are and 7 3s are, and 3 1s are and 3 3s are, and we are left with 3 multiplied by 10, which is equal to 3 times 10 is 30%, so the required percentage is 30%. In this lesson, students will be learning and discussing intermediate level question number 10 and 11. As the questions are long, so I've written the question in short form, and I'll be reading the question from the book. First, we'll begin the class with question number 11. Let me read the question carefully. Question 11 says the maximum number of marks attainable at the mathematics competition is 60. Maximum number of marks are 60. Kate obtains 40 marks, Priya obtains 46 marks, and Nora obtains 49 marks. Now there are 3 participants in this competition, like Kate, Priya and Nora, and Kate is getting 40 marks, Priya is obtaining 46 marks, and Nora is obtaining 49 marks. The examination board decides that those who score 80% and above will get the gold award. So how you will be eligible for the gold award is that if your score will be 80% and more, you can get the gold award, okay. And those who score 70% to 79, that from 70 to 79 inclusive will get the silver award, okay. And those who score 60%, 60 to 69% inclusive will get the bronze award. Determine the type of the award each girl gets. Very easy question, interesting, and very much applicable in your daily life. You can get the idea from your maths competitions like Kangaroo and ICATS examination, that the Kangaroo organization or the ICATS organization decide the limits, that how they will be awarding their contestants the gold, bronze and silver award. They decide some percentages. So there are 2-3 things that we need to understand, that maximum marks are, or the total marks are, maximum marks are 60, and the participants are, there are 3 participants, okay, Kate, Nora and Priya. Okay, now let me read the data carefully. 60 marks Kate obtains. Marks obtained by Kate. Marks obtained by Kate. Kate. What marks Kate is getting? let me write that carefully. 40 marks. Kate obtains 40 marks. 40 marks. And Priya obtains marks obtained by who? Priya. What are the marks she is getting? 40 marks. Priya is getting 46 marks. And who's left? Nora. Nora is getting how many marks? 49 marks. Okay. These are the marks which are already given, and now they are giving us the percentages as well, that in order to get which award? Gold award. You need to score what? 80% and above. 80% and above. Okay. Then those who score 70 to 79 inclusive, silver award. The range is 70 to 79%. And then what is left? Who scores 70 to 79%? 60 to 69, bronze award. The range of the percentage is 60 to 69%. Okay. This is the information which they are giving us in the beginning. Okay. This all information will be helping us in deciding that which award anyone from these girls are winning. Now, the question says determine the type of the award each girl gets. So, what to do? As in order to get either the gold award, silver award and the bronze award, we are given with the percentages. So, whatever marks are obtained by Kate or Priya or Nora, we first have to find the percentage marks obtained by these all three girls, and then we will be checking the range of their percentages, that in which group those marks are falling, and then we'll decide that what type of award they are getting. So, let's move to the solution of the question. Percentage of marks Kate, percentage of Kate's marks. Okay. We know the rule, we know the formula for finding the percentage, that the marks obtained divided by total marks times 100%. Try to make the calculation without calculator. 0 goes with 0. 2 3s are and 2 5s are. This is we are left with 40 times 5 is 200 by 3, and 200 divided by 3, what comes? 200 divided by 3. 3 6 are 18, and we are left with 2 only. 3 6 are 18, and I am left with 2, and then again I can put the decimal. 66.6%. 66.6%. Okay, and let me underline this part, and then we'll be deciding the type of the award later. Okay, and then percentage of Kate's marks and percentage of Priya's marks. Percentage of Priya's marks, and now what are her marks? Let me confirm the data once again. 46 by 60 times 100%. And now what we can do is, this goes with this again, 2 3s are and 2 5s are, and this becomes 46 multiplied by 5 is 46 times 5 is 230. 6 and 4 10. Okay, 230 by 3%, and when I'm dividing 230 by 3, this is 76.6%. 76.6%. Okay, lucky one. And then the Nora's percentage of Nora's marks. Okay, and that will be her marks are 49 by 60 times 100%. This goes with this, again 2 3s and 2 5s, and we are left with what? 49 times 5, 49 times 5, and this is 245 by 3. Divide this number by 3, this is 81.6%. 81.6%. Okay, now it's the time to compare their percentages with the information which is given in the question. The Kate, the first one, is scoring 66.6%, and she is eligible for which award? She is eligible for bronze award. Okay, Kate will be getting bronze award. Moving to the Priya. Priya is getting 76.6%. So she will be getting what? The range is in silver award, so she is eligible for silver award. Okay, and then Nora is the intelligent one, and she is getting 81.6%. So all those candidates who are scoring 80% and more, they are eligible for gold award. Okay, so congratulations to all lucky contestants and winners gold award. I hope you are clear that how we are deciding these all awards by finding their percentages. And moving to the next question, and next question says find the value of each of the following: 6 whole 1 by 5% of 1.35 ml. So we have to find the percentage, and of means to multiply. So what we are going to do is that first we have to turn this mixed number into improper fraction. 6 5s are 30 and 1. 6 5s are 30 plus 1, 31 by 5. And when we remove this percentage sign, what to do, students? We have to divide this by 100, and of means multiply 1.35. And now what we can do is, as the question and the calculation is long, so we can use the calculator easily. 531 multiplied by 1.35, this gives me 41.85 divided by 500, and this gives me 0.0837. Okay, and ml. We have to write the unit. And the next one is 56 whole 7 by 8% of 810. Again 56 whole 7 by 8 is a mixed number. First we have to shift it, transform it into improper fraction by multiplying 56 by 8, and then I have to add 7 to that. This gives me 455. Let me confirm. 56 multiplied by 8, 448, and then 250 and 5 plus 7. This is 455 by 8. Percentage, we know that percentage sign will be removed by 1 over 100 multiplied by 810. Okay, now what we can do is that we can remove these two zeros, and we are left with 455 multiplied by 81 upon 80. 10 times 8 is 80, and now 455 multiplied by 81, 455 multiplied by 81, this gives me 36,855 by 80 and I have to divide this number by 80, and this gives me 460.68 meters. Either you can give your answer in form of fraction, or you can give the answer in form of the decimal. These are the large calculations. They have to be preferably coming in paper 2, where calculator will be allowed. 0.56% of 15,000 liters. Okay, so 0.56 multiplied by 1 over 100 and multiplied by 15,000. And now, in order to simplify, what we can do is that we can remove the decimal here. And now look, how many zeros are there? Yes, these are 3 zeros, and now 2 zeros from here and 1 zero from this place can go, and we are left with 56 multiplied by 15 upon 10. Now 56 multiplied by 15, okay, now 56 multiplied by 15 is 840 upon 10. This goes with this, and which is equal to 84 liters. Moving to the last part, that is 2000% of 5 cents. So 2000 percentage means 1 over 100 multiplied by 5, and these are cents. So keeping in mind 2000, yes, this is 2000 only. Zeros goes with 0, and we are left with what? 20 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 100, but these are cents. And 100 cents, we know that $1 equals to 100 cents. If 100 cents are equal to $1, so this answer will be equal to $1. I hope really easy questions. Here you should just have the command on the tables, divisibility test, and the rule that when we are removing the percentage sign, we have to divide that quantity by 100. And what does the term of means? Of means to multiply. Please watch and understand these all lessons. For better understanding of the next lesson, please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.